YouTube video title: 2026 Yamaha TW200 First Look. Legendary Dual Sport returns for 2026. YouTube video description: the iconic Yamaha TW200 is back for 2026. In this video, we take a first look at the 2026 Yamaha TW200, the legendary dual sport motorcycle known for its fat tires, lightweight design, and go-anywhere attitude. Built for both beginners and experienced riders, the TW200 continues to deliver easy handling, reliable performance, and unmatched versatility on and off the road. We explore the design updates, expected specs, engine performance, and why the 2026 Yamaha TW200 remains one of the most fun and practical dual sport bikes ever made. Whether you're hitting trails, city streets, or backcountry paths, this bike is all about pure riding freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more motorcycle previews and reviews from Auto Culture. Hashtags: Hashtag Yamaha TW200, Hashtag TW200, Hashtag 2026 Yamaha TW200, Hashtag Yamaha Dual Sport, Hashtag Dual Sport Motorcycle, Hashtag Off-Road Bike, Hashtag Trail Bike, Hashtag Yamaha Motorcycles, Hashtag Adventure Bike, Hashtag Autoculture.